Stan Store versus Linktree. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Stan Store and Linktree. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Stan Store. Stan Store offers built-in monetization tools, allowing creators to sell digital products, memberships, and services directly through their profile. It allows users to fully customize their profiles to align with their personal brand or business. Supports multiple payment options, making it easy for creators to get paid efficiently. The platform includes email and SMS marketing features which help users stay connected with their audience and promote their offerings. Provides a detailed analytics dashboard that shows traffic, sales, and audience engagement, helping creators optimize their strategies. To unlock the best features, users need to subscribe to paid plans, which may be a limitation for budget conscious creators. The free version offers fewer customization options and tools, which may restrict growth for some users. The platform's advanced features might require a bit of a learning curve, especially for new users. Now, let's come towards Linktree. Linktree offers a user-friendly interface with a simple setup process, making it easy for users to create and customize their links. It allows users to share multiple links on one page, making it convenient for audience engagement. Offers analytics to track link clicks and user engagement, helping users understand their audience better. It supports integration with various social media platforms and services, enhancing functionality. There is a free version available that provides essential features, making it accessible for everyone. Customization options in the free version are somewhat restricted, limiting brand personalization. The free version includes branding and ads, which may not be ideal for all users. To access more advanced features, users need to opt for a paid plan, which may be a drawback for budget conscious users. Choosing between Stan Store and Linktree depends on your specific needs and preferences. Stan Store is perfect for creators looking for a platform with built-in monetization and email marketing, while Linktree is ideal for those who want a straightforward link management tool with essential features. Consider your business goals, customization needs, and monetization strategy to determine which platform fits best with your content and audience. That's all for the video.